Hey there, Walt enthusiasts. Welcome back to our episode. If you are looking to take your documents formatting skill to the next level, you have come to the right place. Today, we are diving into the advanced formatting techniques in Microsoft Word. Whether you are preparing a professional's report, thesis, or just want to impress with a perfectly formatted document, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's get started, okay? So the first thing, let's talk about what we mean by advanced form or formatting. Okay. So before we start with this one, let's open the Microsoft Word. So here we are in the Microsoft Word, and we are going to build the basics like the bold, italics, and font sizes. Advanced formatting include using, yes, the style selections, break headers, and footers, table of contents, and much more. So these tools can help you create professional and polished document with easily. Okay, so now here styles are a powerful feature in the Word that can save you a lot of times. They ensure consistency throughout your documents and make it easily changeable globally. So let's see how to use them. So go to the apply style, simply select the text you want to format, then go to the home tabs and choose a style from the styles gallery. Okay, so for example, let's use the styles. We have the different ones like this one or whatever you deserve. For example, let's use a simple one. I can just easily use it, for example. And if I'm going to click over now that we have the different styles, and to modify our styles, right click on it, right click here and use the modify. Here you can find the different styles, like you can change here the font styles. So like if you want to change here the font styles with this one, and now that it will come up like this when the settings is finished, and here the font size is the one italics, and here are the different options. You can also use this one as set as a bold, and it will be come up with the bold here. You can change the all things like the font sizes and colors and also more. Okay, so once you have modified styles, it is automatically update all text in your document that uses that styles. Okay, so this is especially useful for heading and also the subheading. And everything is done, just click over the OK. Now you can see it comes with the new styles. Now let's move into another one, and you can uh, and we discuss about the advanced function like using sections, break sections. Breaks are essential for managing difference for top of your documents that require distinct. For example, you might need different headers and footers for the different sections. So to the insert section back, place your cursor. Like if I gonna use here, I want to use this here. And like where do you want to the new sections to begin, then go to the layout and click on the break. Okay, so and choose the type of section break you need. So here we will use the, or we have the different zoom like the page columns, text swapping, and text pages for the serial. Let's select the next or next page sections break. Now it takes you on the next pages. Okay, so you can now format the sections independently. For instance, you have the different headers and footers, or change the page orientations. Okay, so like here, if I use the headers by going to the insert tab, use the headers or just select over the headers like blank headers. You can easily type over, or by like here, I can just easily double clicking over here. You can have the active the headers and also the footers. So and here are the headers and footers are great for adding information like the titles, dates, and page number to your document. Okay, so here we can do, you can use like something titles, or this is something that information, so you can easily use our authors or file names, uh, fake document titles or whatever. For example, let's use the file names, and this is the documents one. And here we found the same names uh, over here. And if you want to use the page or date number or date over here, by clicking over here, you can find the different dates. So for example, use here, and I can just use something for the Monday and hit on the OK. Now here we have now this one. Okay. So whatever you work in a date, so it will come up over with this one. Okay. And to have the different headers and footers in the different sections, make sure the link to previous is turned off. The headers and footers, two steps like here, you have the different options like link to previous, and here it doesn't link with the first one. Okay. So, and that is for the light headers and footers. And if you want to add the more logos in here, you can easily use the insert tabs. You can add here the logos if you want to use it. Now let's move into the creating our tables of contents. A table of contents, we can say that table of contents makes navigating your documents easier for readers. Is especially useful for longer documents. So to create table of content, first we need to do apply headings of your documents. Like if I want to use this one, go to the home tabs and use the heading one, then place are like here. Why do you want to use it, or I want to use here, or before that I can just go back to the here, and here I want to or place to the index or table content. Then go to the references and tap and click on the table of contents and choose a style from a job done. So for example, let's use the here a table of contents, and then or will automatically generate the table of content based of your headings. Like here we have now this one. I use this one as the headings. Go to the home tabs. Headings here we can just easily update it, object the field, and here we will get also advanced settings over here by using the this settings, and we will get here or here the table of content over here. Okay. So tables are a great way to organize information. So let's explore some advanced table formatting options. Like to create a table in short, go to the insert tips. Use the table, choose the size of your tables, like how many colors and rows you want to use. So click over here. And once your table is inserted, you can customize using the insert tab, table design layout tabs, change the styles and also the sizes, and add the settings and also the access the border. So whatever you desire. For example, let's use the different styles. This one, now that we have these styles, or by you activating these tables, you can have the table designs over there. Okay. So, and now you can also merge the cells and headers, rows, and even sort data within your tables. So you can easily like here, go to the table or layout over here. If I want to use the file cell, and here now you can see it comes up with a spoiled with the selections number. Okay, if I want to spoil the tables, you can see it's spelled very easy way. Or if you want to use also the merge cell by using over here, like if I want to merge this one, go to the merge cells. Now you can see it comes over with the one row and there is no column in the row. Okay, so and that is, and before we wrap up here, we are a few more tips help your master word formatting, like use the find and replace options under the home tab to quickly change the formatting across your documents. You can use here like the find, or use the control H, use the more Control H, and before that, let me use the Control H, and here we got it like more like the find, replace, and go to the option, use the navigation spam, and to easily move between sections for your documents. So go to the view tips and view tabs, and here we have the different options, like you can easily use the navigation spans and over here. So this way you can like navigation span by using the navigation headings or page number uh, and result. You can easily move it very fast. Okay, so and don't forget to use the keyboard shortcut, like for example Control Shift plus, and for remove all formatting from the select text, you can like here you can do Control Q, resets your paragraph formatting, like you can easily use it. Control Q, and you can easily use the different shortcuts key. So, and that's our reps with the advanced formatting techniques. You will be well on your way to creating professional polished documents in Microsoft Word. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time.